Welcome back to the channel, guys, and to the yard. We're gonna start to get this this metal part of the dash out of here, and the reason why we got to take this out, we're gonna put it back in. But the reason why we're taking it out, we got to change this piece right here, this membrane, to separate from, I guess, a noise cancelator, something like that, noise insulation. We got to take that one out. We're going to put another one in. Then we got to change the air box. So the air box there is kind of burnt, kind of messed up. So we got to change that. We got to change the insulation, just for the noise, and we got to change the air box. Put everything back together, and then we'll be putting this part back in. But for right now, let's start. See what we start here. I think we start with these screws on the side here. Right. That one, then this one, and then we go from there, because it's a lot of them. This is not going to get done in one video like the cart. This one is going to be probably 3 videos by itself. Let's see what we need here. Let's see. I think that one a little too big. Yep. Perfect. Not perfect, but let's see. That would do, but it ain't perfect. This one is perfect. But, these things are not doing good, man. Not doing good at all. Let's start with this. Gotta remember where these screws go, man, because this can be a pain. This can be a pain right here. I really hate doing this. Yeah, don't like it. I hope these the same size. They should be. It should be the same size. Should be the same size. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. So I can lay them down there together. Then there's going to be 2 behind these little caps. Now these ones are going to be a little bit longer. Okay, they're going to be a little bit longer. Okay. Yeah, a lot longer, about double the size. I want to be about double the size. Then let's see. See what else we got here. Don't gotta take that one out. Okay. dust can come off by itself. We don't need to take all this other stuff out with it. May not, but right now I think it's good over here. We're gonna have to go under the hood and take like 2 of them out, but that's gonna be later. That's later, not right now. See? Yeah. Y'all can tell how it sounds like taking this part out is just terrible. But it has to get done. Has to get done, guys, to make this work. Again, we're taking out these 2 over here. Watch out for creepy crawlies in here, spiders and things like that. I'm not worried about anything other than really a spider that can bite. Oh, a wasp, bee, anything like that. Anything that stings, bite. I don't like. Anything like that I don't like. This car is going to be looking good inside soon. It's going to be looking terrific in here soon, but then it's going to be time to try to get that doggone engine. The engine is good. I'm not worried about the engine. What I am worried about, take these pieces on the side again. These 2 little black caps. Screw behind that. What I am worried about is the engine computer. That's what I'm worried about in this, with doing this type of stuff. I'm not worried about. I'm certainly not worried about. Man, what's going on? I'm not worried about. I'm not worried about the engine turning over. Engine ain't the problem. I know the engine will turn over. I know the engine will turn over if everything's right. If everything's right, it's gonna start. If all the engine computers, body computer, all that crap. That'd be the main thing. Stop the stuff from actually running. This one ain't gonna be too easy to screw. Get out right here. Let's see. Always one. And this one ain't bad, so where's the real bad one gonna come? One that don't wanna move. This screw ain't bad. Just wasn't easy as the last ones. But when am I going to get to that one that just don't want to turn at all? That, my friend, is a problem. It's gonna be a problem right now. Oh, Lord. Come on. Come on. Let's see if we can turn it. Oh. Hold on. All right. Okay. Got those. Now, yeah, here comes this part right here. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Gotta move that. That goes like that. Okay. Move that out the way. Then move that. Let's see if I can slide this stuff out of the place, because it's going to have to get moved. It's going to have to move. Anyway, so why not now? Why not now? Get out the way. So now, see, you guys can see the screw right here. You can't see it right here. Okay, let's do this one. Well, these screws are mainly, well, not mainly, I hope they're the same size. Let's see. Yeah, we're good. Just gonna drop them down there. Okay. Okay. That's good. Let's go on the other side here. Just this crossover here. Okay. Move the same little piece right here. Get it out the way. And same with this right here. Slide it forward, if we can do this side, hopefully. Hopefully we can. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Man. Where did that water come from? Uh-oh, I hope we don't have a leak. Oh, Lord. That's not good. That's not good. Where did that water come from, or whatever. Oh, Lord. Okay. I thought my windshield replacement was a success. Maybe it wasn't. maybe it was not a success. Okay guys, let's see if we can get these 2 screws, and this is gonna be this video guys until we do the next one. Okay. Okay. Don't know why this side has 2, but it does. There's 2. Passenger sides have 1. Alright guys. This is the end of the video. Like, comment, share, and you do subscribe. Okay? And we'll see you in the next one when we're again back in the yard. Again, yard 2. Not 1. Peace.